Good day everyone. I'm here to discuss the introduction of Unit 1, Physical Education, its values to the development and adjustment of the individual. But before we start, I'm Ira Cardona Abiertas, taking Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English. We come now to the introduction of this report. In most educational systems, physical education or PE, also called physical training or PT or gym, each with a very different connotation, is a course in the curriculum which unutilized learning in the cognitive, affective, and psychomotor domains in a play or movement exploration setting. Physical education has existed since the earliest stage of humanity in the areas as simple as the transmission of knowledge of basic survival skills such as hunting. However, the real history of physical education is in the changing methodologies used to transmit physical skill and to lesser extent varying intentions of educator. The first known literary reference to an athletic competition is preserved in the ancient Greek text, the Iliad by Homer. While by no means is this the beginning of physical activity, it marks an important point in the study of history of physical education. Other cultures that exist before the Greeks, including the ancient Chinese, Indian, and Egyptian civilization, had tradition of physical education and activity, but the Greek influence is argued to be the most fundamental to how the discipline is viewed today. The ancient Greek tradition of the Olympic Games, which originated in the early 8th century BC, even continues today. The father of the modern physical education that we know of today was Friedrich Ludwig Jahn. Although Jahn was highly political within Germany, his contributions in physical education are mostly in gymnastics, as a discipline are still seen today. Now we come on to the discussion of this report. What is physical education mean? According to Merriam-Webster Dictionary, physical education is the instruction in the development and care of the body ranging from simple calisthenic exercises to a course of studying providing training in hygiene, gymnastics, and the performance and management of athletic games. Physical education or PE is the interdisciplinary study of areas of science relating to the transmission of physical knowledge and skill of individual or a group, the application of this skill and their results, and also can be viewed as a program of activities in a school curriculum that involves sports, games, gymnastics, and recreational activities. Great emphasis is placed on motor skills, fitness, health, recreation, and safety. It is the vital and integral part of general education designed and promote the optimum development of the individual physically, socially, emotionally, and mentally through total body movement in the performance of properly selected physical activities. It is an important segment of general education of aims to contribute to the total development of the learner through participation in selected activities. Physical education helps students develop physical skills and confidence. For example, elementary and middle school curriculum includes activities that help kids obtain and improve skills such as running, catching, throwing, and striking. Balancing skills could be applied to dance or gymnastics. While high school curriculum should focus on lifetime sports skills like tennis or aerobic dance, within a secondary emphasis on team sports. Physical education develops fitness and fosters the desire for lifelong participation in physical activities. High school curriculum prepares students to become highly proficient in one or more sport and fitness activity of their choice. And in a high-quality PE curriculum enables all students to enjoy and succeed in many kinds of physical activity. They develop a wide range of skills and the ability to use tactics, strategies, and compositional ideas to perform successfully. When they are performing, they think about what they are doing. They analyze the situation and make a decision. They also reflect on their own and others' performance and find ways to improve upon them. As a result, they develop the confidence to take part in different physical activities and learn about the value of healthy and active lifestyle, discovering what they like to do, what their aptitudes are at school, and how and where to get involved in physical activity helps them make informed choices about lifelong physical activity. PE helps students develop personally and socially. They work as an individuals, in groups, and in teams, developing concepts of fairness and of personal and social responsibility. They take on different roles and responsibilities, including leadership, coaching, and officiating. Through the range of experience that PE offers, they learn how to be an effective and competitive. Physical education classes teach the health benefits of regular exercise and healthy food choices, along with the risk of inactivity and poor diet. Students of all ages might be asked to dedicate themselves to making a few small improvements in diet and exercise for a period of 6 weeks. It will also help students develop social skills, for example, team sports, help them learn to respect others, contribute to a team goal, and socialize as a productive member. And for my reflection to this report, physical education aims to develop students' physical competence and knowledge of movement and safety, and their ability to use this to perform in a wide range of activities associated with the development of an active and healthy lifestyle. It also develops students' confidence and generic skills, especially those of collaboration, communication, creativity, critical thinking, and aesthetic appreciation. This, together with the nurturing of positive values and attitudes in PE, provide a good foundation for students' lifelong and life-wide learning. Thank you everyone to listening my report.